welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to make a makeup tutorial again, but this is quite different from the others because as you all know, I love a popping red lip and a maroon lip because I really love the color red. So I thought of why not do a makeup tutorial inspired of red and warm colors, such as this eyeshadow that I am having, and this I'm really living for the eyeshadow because it really matches my lips and the overall face makeup, and the highlighter, it really complements with each other. And I really love warm tones because it's such a contrast of colors. I really love yellow, warm yellow pigments, and red most especially. And this is the color red is my favorite because I really love the contrast, and it's my most favorite color besides of blue and purple, which I will try to dedicate a video of that so you could be inspired as well to other makeups. And yeah, so probably on my next video I'll do a blue inspired makeup tutorial, but for this makeup tutorial I'm going to do a red one. So enough babbling, and let's get on with the tutorial. So grabbing the Morphe 3502 palette, and we're just going to make a gradient of the eyeshadow. First, I'm going to take the orange eyeshadow from the palette, and we're just going to take a fluffy crease brush and blending it out. And taking a more deeper shade from the palette, and we're just going to darken the crease. And taking that fiery red and that shade we've used earlier, and we're just going to make it more red so that it looks more cohesive. And after that, we're just going to take the fluffy crease brush, and we're just going to blend out all of the color. And taking a more maroon and purple color of the palette, and we're just going to darken up the crease so that it has dimension. And we're just going to take the dark brown, the dark violet, and the gray tone eyeshadow there, and we're just going to darken up the outer corner. I prefer using this BH Studio brush. I don't know what is the name, but I'll just link it down below. And I really love BH brushes, guys, and we're just going to darken up the outer corner. I know there's a lot of shades I put, but it's cohesive. And what we're going to do is take the peach color from the NYX Contour Cream palette, and we're just going to cut the crease, and we're just going to darken up the outer corner to the concealer we've put earlier. And taking that fiery shimmer from the palette, we're just going to put it where we've put the concealer. And girl, I love the shimmer. Oh my god, this is so iba to talaga, guys, because girl, that hot firing red, oh my god. And we're just going to take the lovely lashes Manila in Sassy. These costs 250 pesos, and they're very affordable. And please make sure to follow them in IG, guys, because they have a great customer service, and I could definitely recommend it. And we're just going to take the Total Cover Up Foundation by L'Oreal. It's in the shade Tan, and I thought this was going to be orange for me, but it really goes well with my skin, and it's good for covering up tattoos or blemishes and all dark spots, and it really covered up my face, and I really love it, guys. So I definitely recommend this foundation, but the only thing is it creases on my smile line, so better be aware of that. And we're just going to set our face with the MAC Cosmetics Studio Perfect foundation in the shade NC30. And taking a bronzer brush, and we're just going to use the NYX No Filter finishing powder in deep golden. And I really love this bronzer, unlike the bronzers I've used in the past, and it really goes well with my skin and the shade of my foundation. And I would definitely recommend this bronzer by now. And we're just going to contour the face using the PH 10 blush palette, and I'm just going to take the contour shade from the palette, and we're just going to darken up the dimensions of the face. And after contouring, we're just going to sharpen up the contour, and we're just going to bake our face. So after 5 minutes, we're just going to take off the baking powder from our face. After that, we're just going to take the EB Advanced powder and we're just going to tie in all of the face just so that it doesn't leave a gray cast. And applying a pale but warm blush, and we're just going to apply it on the cheeks. And taking the Morphe 3502 palette, and we're just going to take the colors we put earlier from the crease to the bottom lash line. After putting the eyeshadow onto the bottom lash line, we're just going to put on the mascara. It wouldn't be complete if it doesn't have any highlighter, so I'm going to use the Morphe M-Type 10, and we're just going to take the Colourpop Cosmetics in the shade She's Here to Stay, and I really love this highlighter. It's my favorite, girl. It wouldn't be complete without highlighting the top of your lips, and most especially your nose, because it gives life to your nose and your lips. And we're just going to use the NYX Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, and Definitely Turn On Waterproof Extreme Color Lip Liner in the shade Summer Tease. Woo! This is one long liner, girl. A name for a liner. Oh my god. I'm like, oh, but I really love this lip liner just because it's the color red and it really contours the lip. And for the liquid lipstick, we're just going to take the Careline liquid lipstick in the shade In Bloom. And girl, this is a brand that I really love because I really love their account and they really engage to their followers. And girl, Colourpop, you better be watching. And we're just going to take the NYX setting spray in Dewy, and we're just going to set our face. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I hope you were inspired by this red makeup tutorial, and I hope to see you on the next video. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and please hit that bell button beside the subscribe button so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. And that's all, and goodbye, guys, and have a good day.